So I usually use the same stuff on the road that I do in the studio. For example, with my guitars, I got ESP, my signature model. It's V-shaped, as you can see, 24 frets. The last 4 are scalloped, you know, makes it ring better. And a little cutout here, so makes it more accessible to the 24th, which is a cool thing. And one pickup, it's Seymour Duncan humbucker, gives it a lot of gain, so it's definitely a good pickup for playing metal. Got Floyd Rose, of course, and DR strings. The high is 010 and the low is 056, so it's pretty thick, but it sounds pretty damn good. As far as picks, I use the Gene Dunlop's Jazz 3 with the sharp tip, which is a cool thing. Affects on the sound, makes it more mean, and affects on my fast picking a lot too, makes it more accurate. And you know, with amps, I usually use Lee Jackson, like this really old Lee Jackson preamp, or I use Marshall. I mean, as far as you just get a lot of mid-range, I'm good to go.